As artificial intelligence (AI) continues to evolve, one of the most significant concerns is its impact on employment. While AI brings forth numerous benefits, the flip side is the potential displacement of jobs, particularly those involving routine and repetitive tasks. In this video, we look into the disadvantages of AI in the context of job displacement, identifying the top 10 professions most vulnerable to the rise of artificial intelligence and exploring the reasons behind their susceptibility. 1. Retail jobs, displacement factor, automation of checkout processes. Retail jobs, especially cashier roles, are at risk due to the automation of checkout processes. Self-checkout kiosks powered by AI can efficiently handle transactions, reducing the need for human cashiers. Retail giants like Amazon have already implemented cashierless stores relying on AI to streamline the shopping experience. 2. Manufacturing jobs, displacement factor, increased automation in production lines. Manufacturing jobs, particularly those involving repetitive assembly line tasks, face significant threats from AI-driven automation. Robots equipped with AI capabilities can perform tasks with precision and speed, leading to increased efficiency. This results in a reduction in the demand for human labor in roles such as assembly line workers. 3. Transportation jobs, displacement factor, autonomous vehicles, and drones. The rise of autonomous vehicles and drones poses a challenge to transportation jobs. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery personnel may see a decline in demand as self-driving vehicles become more prevalent. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are actively developing AI-powered autonomous vehicles, aiming to revolutionize the transportation industry. 4. Data entry jobs, displacement factor, automated data processing systems. Data entry jobs are highly susceptible to automation, as AI systems can efficiently process and enter data with minimal errors. Automated data entry processes powered by AI technology not only reduce costs, but also eliminate the need for human operators to manually input information into systems. 5. Customer service jobs, displacement factor, AI-powered chatbots, and virtual assistants. Customer service jobs, particularly those involving routine inquiries and support, are increasingly being handled by AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These systems can provide instant responses, troubleshoot issues, and handle customer queries, reducing the need for a large human customer service workforce. 6. Telemarketing jobs, displacement factor, AI-driven sales and marketing tools. Telemarketing jobs face displacement as AI-driven sales and marketing tools become more sophisticated. AI algorithms can analyze customer preferences, predict buying patterns, and even execute sales calls. This reduces the reliance on human telemarketers for outbound sales efforts. 7. Agricultural jobs, displacement factor, robotic farming and harvesting. Agricultural jobs involving manual labor in farming and harvesting are at risk due to the introduction of AI-powered robotic systems. Automated tractors, drones, and robotic arms can perform tasks such as planting, watering, and harvesting crops, minimizing the need for a large human workforce in the agricultural sector. 8. Data analysis jobs, displacement factor, AI-based data analytics tools. While AI enhances data analysis capabilities, it also poses a threat to jobs in data analysis. Advanced AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets and generate insights without human intervention, potentially reducing the demand for human data analysts in certain tasks. 9. Banking and finance jobs, displacement factor, AI-powered financial analysis and fraud detection. Certain roles in banking and finance, such as routine financial analysis and fraud detection, are susceptible to displacement by AI. Automated systems can analyze financial transactions in real time, identify patterns indicative of fraudulent activity, and generate reports, diminishing the need for human intervention in these tasks. 10. Writing and content creation jobs, displacement factor, AI-generated content. Even creative professions like writing and content creation are not immune to job displacement. AI systems can generate content based on predefined patterns, producing articles, news reports, and even creative pieces. While human creativity remains unparalleled, the rise of AI-generated content poses challenges for certain writing-related tasks. Navigating the impact of AI on jobs. The rise of artificial intelligence undoubtedly brings forth a wave of technological advancements, but it also raises concerns about job displacement. The top 10 vulnerable professions outlined here are just a glimpse of the broader impact AI may have on the workforce. As we navigate this transformation, it becomes imperative for societies, industries, and policymakers to proactively address these challenges. Investing in education, reskilling programs, and creating a regulatory framework that supports a balanced integration of AI into the workforce. These factors will be crucial for mitigating the negative consequences of job displacement in the era of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.